Right guys, okay, so this is what we're doing then in this lesson. We're taking this image and we are doing something like this. Okay, so this is Ava Lovelace. She was a famous computer programmer. This is what a diagram of computation. Yeah, and we're doing something like this. Okay, really not super difficult. Right, so let's go ahead, open it with GIMP. Come over here. Okay, a couple of things to do first. So, where's my menu gone? Hello. Okay, so let's go layer, transparency. Let's add an alpha channel. Okay, because we're going to cut out a lot of it and we want to be able to see through the bits that we cut out. Okay, so we've done that. Let's zoom in a little bit. We want a circle of her head, but we want exactly a circle. So tool, selection, ellipsis. Now this will create us an ellipsis, but what we want is a true circle. To get that, what we need to do is we need to hold down shift. Watch this. Yeah, as soon as I press shift, it locks to a circle. Okay, without shift and now with shift. Okay, so I'm going to do that, approximately that, press shift, and then I get a true circle. Good. Okay, there we go. That's fine. Something like that. Now, we want to cut out everything else. We want to keep her face. We want to cut out everything else. So I'm going to need to select, invert, and then edit, clear. Okay, good. Good. Okay, so now that's the first part done. Yeah, this is not a super difficult lesson. Now what's next? So open. Let's open the second one. Open with. Here we go. Now I want to change the perspective. This is very flat. I want to change the perspective. So we go to Tools, Transform, Perspective. Yeah. And now we get this anchor here, here, here. And what that means we can do is we can change the perspective. Yeah, it does what it says on the tin. Now, the corner I'm particularly interested in is up here that we can't easily see. So, I'm gonna zoom out, and then something like that is what I want. You can have anything you want, but it's just a chance to play with this perspective tool. Okay. Okay, good. So I've done that. Pressed enter. Now select. No, we don't need to do that. Okay, so now we can go back to Ada's face. We can click on it. We can drag it, and we can drop it. And then when we do that, we get her face on here. Yeah, and now we've got two layers that you can see. Now we've still got our perspective tool, not interested in that, so I want my move tool. So now I can move her down. Good. She's too big, so I need to scale her. So I need to go Tools, Transform, Scale. So I'm going to scale her down a little bit. Move her, Then with my move tool, I'm going to move her up. Okay, and we're really almost finished. Yeah. Next, I want to zoom in. That's good. Select. No, still not. Okay, good. Now I want to crop. So I'm going to crop something like that. Is that a rectangle? Doesn't look like a rectangle. Is that a rectangle? Yes, yeah, it is. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. Right, this is still a bit too big. So yes, I want to scale her face down a little bit more. Okay, then I want to move it up. Okay, fine, something like that. Then my crop tool. I'll have something like that. Doesn't look like a rectangle, does it? Okay, fine, that's good. And that, press enter. Image, what is it? Layer to image size. Yep, so layer to image size. Good. And from there, we can just export as, and we can export as finished. Yeah, I'm going to export it as finished too. Okay, export. Close that. Don't want to save anything. And now if I go ahead and open these. Yep, so that's the first one, and this is the one that we've just made. Okay, is that a rectangle still? Good. Okay, and there we go. Yeah, that goes into your portfolio, nice and easy. That is lesson 5. Job done. Well done.